welcome to Let's Invest Right. Guys, today we are here to discuss about semiconductor shortage. We have got so many videos all around the internet. We have seen that, we know that there are very few companies who are into manufacturing of semiconductors. One of them is in Taiwan, which is known as Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. We have got Samsung, we have got Intel, AMD, and some of the small companies as well. But the major contributor which comes in manufacturing of semiconductors is TSMC, which manufactures in a larger scale. Now, what happened during this pandemic? We have been using this semiconductors in different applications, whether it comes to electric vehicles, whether it comes to our appliances like fridge or gaming PCs. These microchips are required everywhere because our reliance on electronics has increased a lot in last decade. But during this pandemic, whether we are talking about the automobile industry, they have not made a good prediction about their future demand because nobody was sure about it. We have seen supply chain issues all around the world because of so many restrictions all around the world, lockdowns, the unclear picture of this deadly virus, pandemic, and so many other things. So eventually it leads to something which everyone is talking about is the semiconductor shortage. Since there are very few companies, as I discussed in Taiwan, we have Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, we've got Samsung, we have got Intel, AMD, everyone plays their part. But eventually we have seen this decline in the demand of some companies' stocks. We were talking about a couple of months ago where everyone was talking about electric vehicle boom, and where it comes to, we have seen tremendous growth of stocks like Tesla, some Chinese companies like Xpeng, Neo, and we were having some other companies which were coming through SPAC, Arrival, and even we have got our videos on all these companies. We have, of course, first of all, there was something like a boom in this industry. Their stock prices really increased into 2 or 3 times of their actual value. And as soon as we have got this news that we have now semiconductor shortage, we have seen a tremendous downward trend. We can call it a correction which was due on this industry, but also there is a fundamental reason that they won't be having their productions with the same capacity or with the same level which they used to do it before, although they've got the demand. But let me ask you a question. Why have you bought these companies on the first sight? Like, was it because of just to make some quick bucks, or was it because you were seeing some tremendous demand in coming years? We were talking about once Mr. Biden is going to take this administration, he will be definitely focusing on converting most of the vehicles into electric vehicles, and by 2030 we'll be having most of the electric vehicles all around the world. So nothing has changed yet. So that means still there is a demand, and a lot of demand for electric vehicles. Now, as an investor, what shall we do? It's very simple. First of all, if you're seeing Tesla prices going down, you're seeing Xpeng pricing going down, if you have got all these stocks in your portfolio, it's a really right time for you to average out your positions. Secondly, if you were waiting for the right price, maybe this is the right price, maybe it can go further down. Eventually, what do you think? This semiconductor issue is not going to be solved? They need to make money. They have got enough demand of these semiconductors, if I'm talking about particularly the manufacturers. Also, we have seen Mr. Biden or different countries coming up with the support of their semiconductor industry. Otherwise, it would be a bigger problem than we are in this age. And nobody would like to lose their sale. It may take time. It may take a year. It may take 2 years or maybe 3 years. But eventually, it will be solved. So if you have not have any of the EV stocks in your portfolio, maybe this is the right time. This is not a financial advice. We have it in our portfolio, and we believe that this is the right time to take opportunity. Whenever the market is booming, it's difficult to catch the train. But this is the right time. If these prices are down, most of the investments are going towards cryptocurrencies and in different sectors as well. Travel and tourism stocks, people are investing in there. But eventually, once those stocks would come back to their pre-pandemic value, you will see immense regrowth in these stocks. You will see them again going back. So guys, and then I would say it's your decision whether you invest or not. But eventually, that's what we believe, that this issue is going to be solved. But it won't give you a time then that yes, now it's the time to come back and to invest in the stocks which are affected right now with this shortage. We have seen this unfortunate pandemic which caused not only so many lives, but also we have seen the travel and tourism industry which totally collapsed last year. But when it comes to their stocks, you can see whether it's airlines, whether the hotel industry, they are coming back. They are coming back to almost their pre-pandemic prices. Now, of course, the mindset has changed a bit. The investment is now towards the travel and tourism stocks, towards cryptocurrencies. But once the investors would realize that there is no more potential left, they have already gained their levels back of pre-pandemic, then they would come back to this industry which is really promising, the electric vehicle industry. So wish you very best of luck. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon, and if you would like to trade stocks without commissions, we have got a link below. You can click on this link and join this platform which offers stocks at without commission, and wish you very best of luck. Thank you very much.